What is it about this business that makes it so hard to become profitable? Is it the trading strategy? Is it the markets? Is it, the news, the headlines, the data numbers? What about trading makes it so difficult for one person to make money? The simple answer is emotions. The simple answer is having the right trading psychology. Again, I speak about this so much, and it goes in one ear and out the other each and every single day for so many of you traders that are out there. If you don't trust your strategy 1000%, to every time you see your setup happen, you take that setup because you're 1000% confident in it, you get into what's called cherry picking trades. And when you cherry pick trades, you deviate from your trading plan. You look for additional setups based on what you think could be happening. And it's like, why do we do that? I'm guilty of it myself. Sometimes I'll look at the charts. For example, like today on the NQ, I'm looking at this chart and I will look at the chart and I'll kind of tell myself, yeah, maybe we might break down here and I could take a little bit of profits back into these lows. But is that the smart thing to do? Is this the smart thing to do, to be looking for a short at 6:25 in the morning? Probably not, right? Probably not. The market's due to open. I can get into this trade. It can spring against me. There's a lot of probabilities here as to why this doesn't look like a good setup or why I probably shouldn't take this setup. But when you're in the heat of the moment, when you're in the line of fire and you're looking at this, it feels like it's going to go down. It feels like we're coming all the way to the lows. It feels like if I take this short position here, I'm going to make so much money because we're going to shoot down and we're going to make these new lows. Those are the emotions and those are the thought patterns that need to be obsolete from your whole system, right? It's you have to have an edge and a plan that is so clear and even so simple that you can teach anyone. You can teach a 10-year-old to do it. For example, if I was, just to be completely honest, if I was to sit a 10-year-old down or a 12-year-old or a 15-year-old, it doesn't matter. If I was to sit a child down and I was to tell them, anytime you see this red arrow, which means that we closed underneath the 20 SMA, anytime you see this red arrow form after this candle stops moving, and you get a preceding candle, meaning you get one of the next 2 or 3 candles to confirm the low, you take a sell order on this particular trade and you set a stop loss if the price breaches the top of this candle that has the arrow on it, and you set a take profit at a 1-to-1 for, in this particular trade, it's 15 points. So between 15,961 all the way down here to 45-ish, you would have taken profits. You would have won this trade. You can teach anyone how to do that. But why is it so difficult for you, my friend, who's a full-grown adult, who's been watching the markets for years, who's been trying to learn this business for months, who's been taking hundreds of trades? Why is it so difficult for you to understand that? Because you have to understand, the child's brain, the brain of someone who doesn't know anything, is led to believe what they're told, is led to believe what is set in stone for rules, right? So for example, a child, if told, do this if this happens, or do that if that happens, is just going to listen because they don't know any better. For someone like yourself who's been around the markets and taken these trades, and sometimes they work and sometimes they don't, and the time you bought too many contracts, it didn't work and you blew your account up. You have all these prior kind of scenarios, all these prior, instances in your head where maybe it's not going to work. Maybe I should wait a little bit longer. But truthfully speaking, you are stopping yourself. You are stunting your growth. You are the reason why you're not allowing yourself to be successful. You have to believe in your strategy, and you have to believe that you know what you're doing. If you do not believe you know what you're doing, and you do not believe that you have the ability to read the charts, I'm going to give you the best advice possible. Stop trading. quit. Go somewhere else. Go get a second job doing something else, because you're going to make a hell of a lot more money driving for Uber than you are trying to guess and trying to think that you understand the markets. For those of you who are serious and you really want to understand and start to unlock how you can be successful and how you can actually make money and how you can be profitable and take paychecks from the market each and every single month, I will put you through a rigorous 30-day boot camp style training. Join Evolution Traders, and links down in the description box below. I will give you a set parameters, a concrete trading plan that you can follow over the next 30 days to help you understand what you are doing wrong. Most of the traders who come into my room have a pretty good understanding of the markets. Some of them have been profitable in the past. Some of them are not profitable. Some of them are scratch traders where they're kind of, teeter-tottering on that verge of being unprofitable to profitable, which is a good thing. Anytime you're a scratch trader is a very, very good thing. But the majority, even still, sometimes it takes people 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 120 days before they start to click, before it starts to understand, before they start to, have a better understanding of what the hell's actually going on. And them understanding and realizing that it's not the markets, it's not your strategy, it's not the setup, it's not the news, it's not because the market is choppy why you're not able to make money. But the real reason why you're not able to make money is because of you, because you move your stop losses around, because you take too many contracts, because you're getting impatient or feeling FOMO, because you don't have the discipline to sit on your stump, right? Sit on your good old stump and wait for the trade to come to you. Many of you guys out there are chasing money. You guys are chasing trades. That's the wrong way to approach the markets. You are going to get slapped and you're going to get smoked each and every single time when you chase trades, when you chase money, when you push too hard, when you are looking for reasons to get into the market just because the market's open. So many of you guys come to the market and you're so excited that you're going to make money today. And maybe you lost money yesterday, but you're so excited because today's a brand new day and everyone says wait for tomorrow because tomorrow can be a better day, and you get smoked again. When are you going to grow up, and when are you going to take responsibility for the actions that you're doing each and every single day on the market? How many of you guys have been profitable, $100, $150, $250 on the day, hell, even $1,000 on the day, and you go and you just piss it all away, right? You just lose it all, and you hit your max drawdown, and you get auto liquidated, or you lose an account, or you blow up an account. How many of you guys have done that? How many of you guys have turned a green day into red? Is that the market's fault? Is that somehow by some mysterious, outside element, the market's fault because you decided to overtrade? No, it's your fault. It's your fault. The moment you start accepting responsibility for the things that you do is the moment you're going to have the breakthrough. I get it. We all want to make $1,000 a trade. I get it. We all want to make 6 figures a year trading. But it's the little days where you have to stop yourself out $100 or $50 or $20 even to come back tomorrow with a clear mind. It's the days where you need to stop trading after you take 2 losing trades in a row and blow yourself out for $400. It's those days that are going to make you a better trader. And a lot of times you sitting in the comfort of your home or your job office or your car or on the phone taking these trades, you have to answer to nobody. You have to respond to nobody for your actions. You can sit there, be quiet, take losing trades, do it all again tomorrow, be up a bunch of money, lose it all, lose a bunch of money, don't stop trading on the day, overtrade, and no one's going to tell you anything because you don't have to hold yourself accountable to anyone else. Who you have to hold yourself accountable is to you. But the majority of people, and myself included, because I'm just like you, I'm a normal person. I didn't go to some fancy school to learn how to day trade. I didn't go to college to become some type of engineer or anything to learn how to read these algorithms and this price action. I didn't do none of that. I didn't study finance. I didn't do anything. What I learned on was by trial and error. What kicked me upside the head, I was tired of it over and over and over. You want to know why it takes some people 6 months, a year, 3 years, 4 years before they actually turn the page and become profitable? Is because you hit rock bottom. If you have not hit rock bottom yet, you will not start doing the things that you need to do. When your back is up against the wall, you are going to do anything possible to protect what you have left. The majority of people, though, start trying to protect what's left when it's already too late. If you need help building a trading plan, and you need help with a team and a community and a coach and a mentor holding yourself accountable for the stupid mistakes that you're making, you want to actually learn how to do this business and treat it with the level of professionalism that it deserves. You're looking for extra strategies. You're looking for extra indicators to add tools to your belt. You're looking to trade with a team each and every single day live. You're looking to hold yourself accountable and hold other people accountable as well. You're looking to make money with a team. Join Evolution Traders. I have one space available for one lucky trader before the year is over. I'm going to close enrollment after the next person joins, and then we're going to reopen enrollment in 2024. If you're actually serious, because I'm going to tell you one thing right now that's going to break a lot of hearts. Searching and watching all of these YouTube videos from myself, watching other live traders, watching this strategy video, watching the news is never going to help you make money. The only thing that's going to help you make money is an understanding of yourself. It's an understanding of your strategy, and it's being held accountable. It's having discipline and controlling emotions. Most of you guys want everything for free. Nothing is free in this world. You have to work hard. You have to be held accountable. You have to invest in yourself. If you lack the knowledge and you lack the willpower and you lack the discipline and you lack the strategies and you lack the environment and the community and the motivation, you will continue to fail. I'm just offering a vessel for traders to get around other like-minded traders and to learn from each other. Do I always have 100% winning days? Of course not. Do I have 100% winning trades? Of course not. I'm wrong, and I'm wrong a lot, but I also know how to protect myself financially and mentally to keep me in this business for a long time. If you want to get on that right path, join Evolution Traders. I'll see you guys all on the inside. To everyone else, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. To much success. This is a very hard business to do. Treat it with the level of respect. Treat your money with the level of respect as well, and you're going to do a lot better.